No phones? No problem. Build a real family comms plan. If cell towers fail or power goes out, how will your family stay connected? If you don't have a backup plan, you're gambling with your safety. In this video, I'll show you how to create a simple, realistic family communication plan that doesn't rely on phones, internet, or luck, just smart planning. Why you can't rely on phones. During major emergencies, cellular networks become overwhelmed or fail entirely. Assuming your family will just call or text is a risk that often leads to separation, confusion, and panic. Establish primary and backup meeting spots. During major emergencies, cellular networks become overwhelmed or fail entirely. Make sure every family member knows how to get there by foot if necessary. Practice is key. Use written communication cards. Create small contact cards with family names, meeting locations, important phone numbers, and instructions. Keep them in kids' backpacks, wallets, glove compartments, and go bags, waterproof if possible. Use visible signs and signals at home. If your family has to leave the house unexpectedly, a pre-arranged signal, like a colored ribbon, symbol, or written note, can let others know where you've gone and that you're safe. These signals should be simple, fast to recognize, and known by every family member. They serve as your voice when communication tools are down or unavailable. Train the routine and keep it simple. Repetition builds instinct. Regular practice ensures your family acts quickly and calmly under pressure. Keep the language short and clear. Even adults forget instructions under stress unless they've practiced the plan together. If this video helped you take one step closer to protecting your family, give it a like and share it with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more simple, real-world strategies from the Safe Family Project, and let me know in the comments what your family is doing to stay prepared. This content is for informational purposes only and does not replace professional legal, medical, or emergency advice.